Hi everyone. Today my group lesson is Montessori language is called sound blending. So I'll show you how we can make a with the letter make a word. Okay, so let's go. So I have here the wooden box. So if you can use a ladder at home, you don't need to use wooden ladder. You can use whatever ladder you have at home. Even you can use the flashcard too. Okay, so first I'll show you. Let me take few ladder. Okay, so I'm gonna take 8. This is A. Okay, A. Okay, and this is ta. Okay, at, 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 at. So let me see what we can use. Okay, do you guys know what letter this one? K, right? So we can put it ka here. So ka, at, cat. So we have cat here. Okay, ka, at, cat. Okay, so let me take the ka out. Okay, let's see what we can do. What letter? This one. Say letter B. So sound it out. B, B. So we're gonna put it here. B, B, at, bat. So I'll show you guys. Bat, B, at, B, at, bat. Okay, so let me take the ba out. Do you know what letter sound that one? Ha. So we can put it ha now. Ha, at, hat. Ha, at, hat. Okay, so let me take the ha out. So now, do you know what letter sound this one? R. Okay, so we can add R here. R, at, rat. You are right, it's a rat. R, at, rat. Okay, so let me take now all of them out. Rat. Okay, now let me see what letter we can add. Do you guys know what letter this one is? N. N. Okay, let me take what we can see. How about that? A, right? Okay. A, N, right? A, N, N. So let's see what we can do. We can add the first letter. You guys know already what is that. It's a K. Okay, I'm gonna put here. Okay, K, N. So what we can say? Can, can. K, A, N. Can. Okay? Okay. Now I'm gonna take the ka over here. How about that letter? F, f. Okay, so we can add over here. F, N, fan. Okay, F, N, fan. Now take the f out. Okay, let me see. F, N, fan. Then, what letter this one? Sound it out. Pa, pa. So we're gonna add over here. Pa, N, pen. Pa, N, pen. Okay, so let me take the pa. How about that one? If we do N, how about that? Man. Okay?